This is Lance from Lance's Auto Vault, and I'm back with a new video. So I've been waiting. I shouldn't say waiting. I just had time to get my get those Katzkin seats put in the car, and I finally got it done. So I took it down to my boys at 714 Motorsports in Westminster, and they did my Katzkin seats for me. So you got to check it out. The Katzkins are, man, it turned out beautiful. They also hooked me up with some heated seats for the front. So with that said, man, you got to check it out. I mean, also you got to look at the truck. The truck is clean. I also had it washed, so you kind of see what I've gotten done so far. So I got the 24-inch Asante wheels with the Pirelli tires, 285/35 ZR24s. Okay. So, I mean, that's a good shot of that car, that wheel. So check it out. So these are my Katzkins. I got the Katzkin seats with the sport emblem on it. This is the front. Turned out really sick. They also fixed my seat for me. So if you want some work done on your truck and you need the seats done, 714, well, you know, they'll take care of you. They also did, like I said, they did the fronts and the backs. They also added the heated seats. So here's my switch for my heated seats right here. They also tied in at the bottom. So you got the heat, you got the front done. So that's pretty tight. So you look at that front sport emblem on the back. Now let's go around to the back. The back turned out really sick. You know, it's also, you know, unlike before I had the cloth, and now it's all leather wrap. And I got this kit from eBay, which was pretty tight. So the reason why I got the black with the red is because I had red seatbelt accents already. So it's made no sense for me to just get all black or just get the pinstripe. So, but I got that, and we got the folding. We got everything all wrapped up, spread here. So that's pretty sick. Let's go around the other side. Like I said, the 24s looking tight, looking real tight on the truck. I want to get these tinted. Also, if you want something awesome to go along with the truck, check that out. The black Ford emblem. That you can get that directly from Ford. That's pretty tight. It comes for, when you buy it, it comes with front and rear, but I only need the rear. So here's the other one. Here's the back other one. So this is really tight. You got the fold down as well, you know, where the seat goes here. Kit, like I said, they did a great job on it. Everything's fit really well. The kit was really well done. It wasn't jacked up or anything crazy. You know, the fold works really well. It all has everything in here, all the cloth the way it's supposed to be. Everything's not super tight, you know. Then you got, like I said, you got these here, super tight. Everything turned out really, really good. You know, and then you got the front passenger seat. You know, it's got heated seats as well. You know, where my kids sit with the airbags, everything. So, you know, when it comes down to it, I'm super ecstatic that the way it turned out. You know, they did a great job on it. It's nothing fancy. I mean, from a standpoint of, I didn't get anything crazy custom, but you know, the truck is starting to really, really come together. Like I said, you got 24s, Asante inch wheels with Pirelli tires, front and rear. You also got, like I said, the painted brakes, the Anzo lights with the Ford emblem on the front. I think I'm gonna do the lighted one too eventually. I mean, once I get some time. And it's black and red because, you know, I got the black and red here, black and red there. I mean, overall the truck is coming out really, really tight. I mean, super, super tight. You know, we just got a couple more upgrades to do on it to make it so it's beyond super tight, like banging tight. So like I said, got the interior put back in, got the seat, the Katzkin kit put in, and it's looking really, really, it's coming together really nice. You know, I never really showed the suspension, but I'll get to that, you know, in another video, because you could actually look in there and you could see the IHC airbag kit in there. You know, I put some some stoppers in there. Bought those on eBay, you know. So it's aired up a little bit. So if you look at the stance, it's pretty tight. The stance is nice. So like I said, overall, it's getting there. It's looking really super nice. Stay tuned for the next updates. Peace.